For the purpose of this demo, I will be logging in my personal Ramver Online account. So I already have money there, but I will take you through how to start your first investment. Okay, don't focus muna on my portfolio. Focus on this button here, Invest Now. So when you're approved, makita nyo kanina sa step 1, 2, and 3, nasa step 2 na kayo, making your first investment. And you will see there, the button is Invest Now. Okay, you will be met with this page, Recommended Funds. Now, it's recommended funds because I am an aggressive investor. So yung mga pinapush sa akin ni Ramver Online would be funds that are aligned to my risk appetite. For the purposes of this demo, I want to invest in Call Strategic Growth Equity Fund because this is one of our newest partners. I want to invest in them to add to my portfolio. There are two options here. You can actually learn more about the funds first. So here, if you click Learn More, you will see ito yung chart ng fund over the last few months. Ayan, ito yung year-to-date return, almost 3%. Ito yung NAVs as of March 1. So NAVs is net asset value per share because you're buying shares of this mutual fund. You will see more details of the fund. So this is the fund overview and also further fund details. So yeah, mutual fund type, fund manager, year-to-date return, and risk profile, currency, etc. You will also notice here that you have documents related to the fund, whether this is the prospectus or the latest fund fact sheet, or in this case, the fund highlights. So, decided na ako na I want to invest in this fund, and I'll do that by clicking Invest Now. If I click Invest Now, I will be led to this page. So, payment details. So, amount to be invested, as I mentioned earlier, minimum nito is 1,000 pesos only. So, if I click 1,000, this is the methods of payment. So, for me, in this case, gusto ko 10,000 na yung gusto kong invest in Call Strategic Growth Fund. So, you have all of these different payment options. Most of them is digital. Nandito, detailed yung ating instructions. You'll need to pay this bank account using this QR code, or you can just copy-paste naman the details here as well. Same as GCash, dito rin si Maya, or any of your favorite bank or e-wallet that supports InstaPay or PesoNet. So ito naman yung mga options natin. For those who are not digital or let's say may kalakihan ang inyong investment, we also have over-the-counter through Union Bank. Ito yung details and you just need to upload your deposit slip or your confirmation screenshot. So let's say I want to invest through GCash. Nag-invest na ako through my mobile phone through the GCash app. You need to take a screenshot of your confirmation page because this is what you will upload as your proof of payment. For the purposes of this video, let's just take a screenshot for proof of payment. So I will upload itong screenshot natin. So in the case na there are some apps kasi or there are some bank apps na hindi ko makasya sa isang page ang kanilang confirmation details. Very important kasi here that we see the date, the amount, the reference number. You can actually upload more than one screenshot kung hindi kasya. Kung kasya naman, one screenshot will suffice. Now you can click Invest. Okay, so it will show you the prompt na thank you for investing on Ramver Online. We will first validate the payment and process your investment within the next business day. So we wait for further details from our partner. So this will take around 2 to 3 business days to upload it in the system. But take note that we always invest your money the next business day. So kunyari this falls in a holiday or on a weekend, we will invest the next business day, which is usually a Monday or basta the next business day. Okay, so I'll just share with you how a confirmation email looks like. So this is how a confirmation email looks like. So let's say I invested last year in Call Strategic Growth Fund. You will see that the date processed is November 14. This is my account number. This is the fund name. This is the amount of the investment. This is the NAVs that was effective for that processing date. And this is the number of shares that I was able to acquire for that investment. So it's very important that your investments have confirmation so that you know the number of shares and you can track this in your portfolio. So once approved ang inyong investment and you saw it in your confirmation email, this will now fall into your dashboard. We will go through the dashboard from top to bottom. So you will see first here, sa taas, greetings, diba? Hello, Enrique Romeo. It's a great day to invest, diba? And in the top, you will see quick details on your portfolio. So currently, I have 5 funds available, diba? This is my current portfolio value, and this is my total returns. So this summarizes all of my funds in the platform. You will see here naman sa baba, my investments. So very interesting here, no? This is similar to your e-commerce apps like Lazada, Shopee, diba? Each fund is in a card, diba? So first, our investment in PhilEquity is the first card, diba? I have a total of 32 shares. Ito yung NAVs niya currently, and this is the current value. So it grew this much already. Kung 1,000 lang nilagay mo, even if 14% ang growth ng portfolio mo, it's only 140 pesos. Diba? So, we want here is the behavior and the habit of investing consistently. Diba? Practice disciplined investing. Next, we have called Strategic Growth Fund. Diba? This is another card. If you invest again in a certain fund, it will just add on to the total number of shares. I also have Sun Life, I also have Atram, and I have Sun Life World Equity Index Feeder Fund. If you want to add to your investment, you can simply click Add. So let's say I want to add to my Phil Equity Fund kasi 1,000 lang. Yan. So if I click Add, I will be led to the same fund page earlier where I can see more details. I can see the fund fact sheets. So ready na ako to add to my fund. It's the same process again. Invest now. Tapos dito mo lalagay, I want to invest. Dapat 10,000 naman ngayon. So let's just say I pay through the same GCash. Diba? Upload payment. And then I will click Invest. Okay, so again, this will be processed within the next business day. Okay, so if we go back to our dashboard, you will see here, no, a menu on the left-hand side. So we can go back to our dashboard. We can see our notifications here as well. Ayan, so dito siya, notifications. You can have a view of the net asset value per share on a daily basis. So if you click here, these are all of the funds available. And this is all of the effective NAVs per fund. Note lang here, no, the value of the price per share changes daily depending on the performance of the whole investment mix. Yan, so you can see here the regulatory bodies governing RAMVer Financial. So the SEC, the IC, the AMLC, and the NPC. Then you can go to your frequently asked questions. And then you can also see your investment history. Diba? So you can see here the date process, transaction IDs, and the statuses. So let's say if it's approved, if it's declined, if it's processing, you will see it all here. Okay, so if we go back to our dashboard, you will now see powerful features at the bottom of your dashboard. So here, you can monitor your current performance using this line graph, diba? Look at this, oh. The total value last Feb 2 was only 89,000. Hindi pa ako nag-add, so I should keep adding every month. It grows and grows because of the performance of each fund well diversified. And now, diba, total value as of March 1, diba, since ito yung last available na NAVs, total of 92,000 pesos already. And this is a portfolio that I grew over time. So if you invest every month, you can actually grow your portfolio. And then here on the right-hand side naman is just the portfolio mix, diba? This is a pie chart showing you where are you heavy in terms of your portfolio. Aling funds, and you can also determine if it's global or local. So kunyari ito, Sun Life Prosperity World Equity Index Fund, it's 34% of my total portfolio. So I can see that majority of my portfolio is still invested locally, pero a significant portion is also invested globally. So just some last reminders or last portions of the platform before I end is the account page. You can see your profile here. You can also have access to the details that you uploaded when you did your client application. And you can actually also change your password. So this is very important because let's say nag-leak yung password mo or you have a practice of changing your password every 3 months or every year, you can do that here. So why don't you create an account today, diba? The best time to invest is today. So with RAMVer Online, it makes it so much easier because number one, it's fully digital. Everything from the application process to your payment of the investments to choosing the investments up to monitoring your investments anytime and anywhere. And number two, we have industry-leading funds in the platform by our 4 fund providers, which is the Atram, Phil Equity, Sun Life, and CMI funds by Call Financial. And then lastly, it's the competent advisory because we always remind you through emails, diba, notifications and confirmations so that you're always on top of your investments. So ano pang hinihintay mo mga ka-RFF? Create a RAMVer Online account today and grow your money over time so that we can achieve our financial goals and dreams. So if you like this video, mga ka-RFF, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't yet. Click that notification bell as well so that you're updated on our latest videos. Malaking bagay and malaking suporta sa amin talaga that you watch our videos. Thank you very much mga ka-RFF. Again, my name is Enro Mendoza from RAMVer Financials, empowering you for financial success.